Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Open voice memos and grant microphone access if prompted. Pick a quiet spot and tap the large red record button to begin. Speak clearly and hold the phone steady. Use the pause control to split takes or catch breathers. Once done, tap Done to save the clip, then rename it by tapping the title so you can find it later. Make sure the file's saved. If not, retry the last few seconds before moving to sharing. Now edit. Tap the memo and choose Edit to trim or replace parts you don't want. Trim removes sections precisely. Replace lets you overdub without creating a new file. Save edits when you're satisfied so the shared version is clean. Next, tap Share and decide how you'll send it. AirDrop for nearby Apple devices, Messages for quick delivery, Mail for longer attachments, or Save to files to upload to cloud storage. To finish, pick the Share option that fits the recipient and tap Send. With AirDrop, accept the transfer on the other device. If Mail rejects the file due to size, upload to Files or cloud storage and send a link instead. After sending, verify the recipient can play the memo. If sharing fails, check microphone and photos permissions, confirm AirDrop or Bluetooth is on, and restart voice memos or your iPhone. Often a quick restart resolves permission or connectivity glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.